Hi, everyone. As promised, and based on our conversation in class Monday night, I've pivoted on our next assignment to better align with the ideas you shared and will be building into prototypes. Here are the details. You'll see in Canvas that I revised the original assignment to focus only on what to do and what to submit. The top includes the what to do, these first three items and examples, and the bottom includes what to submit. You will also find that I included a sample and a template in case you're interested on working off of those. So let's start with the first step, moving to week 10 of our Wakelet. Here you'll find in the design resources a bunch of prototyping resources. You'll see the storyboarding template that I shared on Monday, this list of strategies. If you open it up, you'll find a curated list of 3. There's also this website or this web page that takes you to common low fidelity prototypes and examples, as well as this website that also takes you to prototyping ideas. And then, of course, there's our field guide to human-centered design, pages 111 through 125. In all of these spaces, you will find prototyping strategies that you might choose. As you review, also consider the ideas generated during ideation imagination. Which prototypes are going to best align to meet those ideas? For example, if you're designing an experience, you might choose a storyboard or role play. If you're designing an app or a web page, you might want to do a paper interface. If you're thinking about training people, maybe you need to build a super person and label their unique features to help them mentor others. After you've reviewed these prototyping resources, it's time to start prototyping. Then, after you've prototyped and based on the ideas generated during prototyping, it's time to document what you did. You'll see at the top of this sample that I list the idea from ideation imagination. It was a wellness roadshow or tour bus. You'll see the image of the storyboard prototype that I shared with you on Monday. Then you'll see a list of special features that this prototype has that may not be super visible in the prototype itself and that you might want to highlight for humans. I listed about 6 features. The final aspect related to prototype 1 is a reflection on prototyping and the actual prototype. Here I shared that it was a storyboard made sense for this particular prototype, but that I wish I had storyboarded with humans because I didn't have all the components that I would have wanted to include. There's more to it that you can read on your own. Basically, this sample, I filled out the one at the top. And then, of course, you would include 2. I didn't include 2. I just included the sample at the top for you to see. Anyway, this week we're going to build 2 prototypes, and then we'll add a 3rd next week. For now, I hope you enjoy the process, and let me know if you have any questions.